At SkyTrak, we're always looking to create new and fun ways to improve your golf game. That's why we're pretty excited about the new Skills Assessment feature in version 2.5. Before you start, you'll set up the entire session so that once you begin, we'll take it from there so you can focus on hitting your best shots. For each target station, you can set the distance and the club used. Choosing the club type doesn't affect the shot data, but it's essential for tracking strengths and weaknesses across your entire bag over time. We'll talk more about that later. You can set up to 10 target stations, the number of shots on each, and if you want, we can even toss out your worst shots automatically. For the sake of practice, we'll save the settings from your last completed session. Once you're all set up, click Apply and work your way through the skills assessment. Once you've reached the end of each station, you'll see a pop-up to remind you of the next station's club and distance, and will progress you to the next station automatically. You can always check your performance by clicking on the gear in the left panel. Simply click the X in the upper right corner to return to the assessment. As with any activity, you can view a detailed shot history table during the session. You'll notice that we added a few new parameters for 2.5: flight time, angle of descent, max height, and smash factor, or PTI. These are now available everywhere in the SkyTrak software. And finally, just as a reminder, you can adjust your camera view and environmental settings at any time. At the end of the skills assessment, you'll see an overview of your entire session. We'll give you your overall green accuracy, average shot dispersion, and your average tendency. You'll also get a cumulative handicap using our proprietary scoring system. Down below, you'll see a summary of each station, which is a high-level way to quickly spot any deficiencies in your bag. Following the overview screen are the individual results for each target station. Here, you can really dig in and identify specifics about your strengths and weaknesses based on accuracy, consistency, trends, and precision. We call our scoring system dynamic handicapping because it applies on every shot you hit. Over time, you can focus on the weaker areas of your game and lower your overall handicap, elevating your golf game to a whole new level. SkyTrak, it's your real game. Get ready to see real results.